ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. What we are going to do today? Today from the first standard Savi Kannada textbook we are going to do a lesson ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರ ಜನ್ಮದಿನ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು 1ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಸವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇಂದ ಒಂದು ಪಾಠವನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರ ಜನ್ಮದಿನ. So this is the lesson that we are going to do today. So before starting the lesson, please take your textbook, take your pencil, eraser, wear earphones, sit in a quiet place, or else you can take a support of your help of your parents. Sit with the parents and listen to the lesson. We'll start with the lesson. Vivekanandara Janumadina. So Vivekananda. So who is Vivekananda? Have you ever heard who is Vivekananda? Or have you ever seen the photo of Vivekananda? So here in the picture you can see the Vivekananda who is wearing a turban, the orange colored turban, and wearing orange colored dress. Usually we see Vivekananda in the same attire with the turban orange color and with the dress orange color. So what the most important thing of Vivekananda is, Vivekananda used to always tell everyone, the young children, young people are very, very important for the country. So always young people has to work hard. So based on them the country will develop. So that is what always Vivekananda used to say. Used to say, wake up, go with your dreams, work hard. So that is what Vivekananda used to tell. So in today's lesson we are going to learn about Vivekanandara Janumadina. Janumadina is a birthday. Whose birthday? Vivekananda birthday. We'll start with the lesson. ಅದು ಒಂದು ಸರಕಾರಿ ಶಾಲೆ. That is one government school. Sarakari shale is a government school. Shale is a school. Sarakara is a government. ಆ ದಿನ, that day, ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ ಅವರ ಜನ್ಮದಿನ ಆಚರಣೆ. That day is a celebration of a Vivekananda, Swami Vivekananda's birthday. Acharane is a celebration. ಶಾಲೆಯ ತುಂಬ, the whole school, ಆ ದಿನ ಸಡಗರವೋ ಸಡಗರ. The entire school was very happy and it's a grand celebration. It's happening. ರಹೀಮನು ಹೂವು ತಂದನು. ರಹೀಮ bought the flowers. ಹೂವು is a flower. ತಂದನು is a bought. ರಾಜನು ಮಾಲೆ ಮಾಡಿದನು. ರಾಜ did a garland. Okay, ಮಾಲೆ is a garland. He did a garland. ಮಾಡಿದನು is a did. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರ ಪಟವು ಹೂಮಾಲೆಗಳಿಂದ ಕಂಗೊಳಿಸಿತು. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರ ಪಟ means a picture. ಹೂಮಾಲೆಯಿಂದ with garland ಕಂಗೊಳಿಸಿದವು. It was brightening or it was decorated with the garland. ಶಾಂತಾರಾಮನು ದೇವರ ನಾಮ ಹಾಡಿದನು. ಶಾಂತಾರಾಮ, he sang a devotional song. ದೇವರ ನಾಮ devotional song. ಹಾಡಿದನು, he sang. ನಾರಾಯಣ ಗುರುಗಳು ದೀಪ ಬೆಳಗಿದರು. ನಾರಾಯಣ ಟೀಚರ್ ದೀಪ lighten up the light. Okay, ಲ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ನ ಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ರೂಪ, ದೀಪ, ಫಾತಿಮಾ, ನಿಸಾರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಸೀತಾ. So all these people, who all? Rupa, Deepa, Fatima, Nisar and Sita. ಮತ್ತು ಸೀತಾ ಹಾಗೂ ಸೀತಾ ಆ ದಿನದ ಆಚರಣೆ ಕುರಿತು ಭಾಷಣ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಭಾಷಣ is a speech. Okay, so they gave a speech. What is the celebration of this day? Why we are celebrating? ಸಹನಾ ಕಥೆ ಹೇಳಿದಳು. ಸಹನಾ, she told a story. ಕಥೆ is a story. ರಜನಿ ತಾನೇ ಬರೆದ ಕವಿತೆ ಓದಿದಳು. ಕವಿತೆ is a poem. ಓದಿದಳು, she read. ತಾನೇ ಬರೆದ, which is written by herself. Rajani had written a poem by herself. She read that poem which is written by her. ಗುರುಗಳಾದ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಅವರು. So the teacher name is Narayana. Children, never ever address your teacher as a he and she. Always mention Kannada teacher, maths teacher, science teacher, art teacher, drawing teacher. Never say he told me to do the homework, she gave me the homework. That is really bad thing. You cannot use he or she for the teachers. That is really disrespect that you will be showing for the teachers. Never ever use a he or she. If you find anyone who is using he or she, whether it is your parents or your friends or your brother or sister, tell them they are not supposed to use a he and she for parents. Always mention Kannada teacher told me this. Kannada teacher gave me homework. Okay, never say he gave me homework, she gave me homework. That is really rude, children. You should never use that one, okay? So, Gurugalada Narayana, the teacher Narayana, avaru Swami Vivekanandaru, Bharatada Kirti Purusharu. So, the teacher is talking about Swami Vivekananda. What did the teacher say? Swami Vivekanandaru Bharatada Kirti Purusharu. Kirti andre the one who has given the pride to the nation. So Swami Vivekananda is a one such person who brought the pride for the nation. ಅವರು ಭಾರತದ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಬಾನೆತ್ತರ ಎತ್ತಿ ಹಿಡಿದರು. ಬಾನೆತ್ತರ ಟಿಲ್ ದ ಸ್ಕೈ. ಬಾನು ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಕೈ, ಎತ್ತರ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಹೈಟ್. ಎತ್ತಿ ಹಿಡಿದರು. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ he made India known everywhere because he traveled so many countries and he spoke about the India, he spoke about the Indian culture, he spoke about the Indian values in every countries. ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, about our country, ದೇಶ is a country, ಬಗ್ಗೆ about. ವಿದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ, ವಿದೇಶ is a foreign country. ಭಾಷಣ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ gave a speech, ಹೆಸರು ಗಳಿಸಿದರು. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ made name by giving a speech in a foreign countries about India. ಅವರನ್ನು ಜನರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ವೀರ ಸನ್ಯಾಸಿ ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. Everyone used to call Swami Vivekananda as a brave saint. ವೀರ is a brave, ಸನ್ಯಾಸಿ is a saint. ಅವರು ಭಾರತದ ಉದ್ದಗಲ ಸುತ್ತಿದರು. ಉದ್ದಗಲ means everywhere, every nook and corner of India. So Swami Vivekananda has gone to every nook and corner of India. ಜನರಿಗೆ ತಿಳುವಳಿಕೆ ನೀಡಿದರು. ಸೊ he gave a good knowledge for the people. ಅವರು ಮಹಾನ್ ದೇಶಭಕ್ತರಾಗಿದ್ದರು. ದೇಶಭಕ್ತ, ಸೊ ದ ಪೇಟ್ರಿಯಾಟಿಕ್. ಸೊ he was a very big patriot. ದೇಶಭಕ್ತಿ is a patriotism. So ದೇಶಭಕ್ತ is a patriotic. The person was very patriotic. ಭಾರತವೆಂದರಿಗೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ. So he was very very fond of India. He was very proud. ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ is a proud about India ಎಂದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರ ಗುಣಗಾನ ಮಾಡಿದರು. So teachers started talking about Swami Vivekananda in a very happy way. So they started describing what is the Vivekananda. ಪೀಟರ್ ವಂದಿಸಿದನು. ವಂದಿಸು ಅಂದರೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್. ಮಾನಸ ಸಿಹಿ ತಿಂಡಿ ಹಂಚಿದಳು. ಸಿಹಿ ತಿಂಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ವೀಟ್. ಹಂಚಿದಳು ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್. ಹೀಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರ ಜನ್ಮದಿನದ ಆಚರಣೆ ಬಲು ಸೊಗಸಾಗಿ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದಾಸ್ ದ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಸೆಲಿಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ವೇರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪೆಂಡ್ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್ಲಿ. ಬಲು ಸೊಗಸಾಗಿ, ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್. ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದವರು ಸಂತಸದಿಂದ ಅವರವರ ಮನೆಗೆ ಮರಳಿದರು. ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದವರು, ದ ಒನ್ ಹೂ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟೆಡ್, ದೇ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಟು ದರ್ ಹೋಮ್. So this is about the lesson Vivekanandara Janumadina. So after that what you have a few lines where you have to copy those lines. Copy it very cleanly and say it and write it. Do not just copy and write. Say it and write. Next you have a few questions. So first question is, ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ ಜನ್ಮ ದಿನದ ಆಚರಣೆ ನಡೆಯಿತು? ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, in the school, ಯಾರ ಜನ್ಮದಿನ, whose birthday was celebrated? You have to write the answer. ರಾಜನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದನು? What did Raja do? What did Raja do? Find out, it is in the first stanza. What did Raja do? ನಾರಾಯಣ ಗುರುಗಳು ಏನನ್ನು ಬೆಳಗಿದರು? ನಾರಾಯಣ ಗುರುಗಳು, the teacher Narayana, they lighted up something. What did they light up? ಏನ ಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ಪೀಟರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದನು? What did the Peter do? ಸಿಹಿ ತಿಂಡಿ ಯಾರು ಹಂಚಿದರು? Who distributed the sweets? The next is your fill up the blanks, which is very easy. Then you have a few lines, so where you have to just match it. ಗುರುಗಳು ಭಾಷಣ ಮಾಡಿದರು. So the last one is shuffled. You have to match it accordingly. Okay, so you will use nu, madidanu for a boy, madidalu for a girl, madidaru for with respected. Understood? So that is all about the and you have one more activity where you have to write the dates. So when was this, when will be this celebrated? You can do this on your own. This activity I'll leave it to you. So that's it, children. After that you have few animals, you can find out the animal names. So that is for next lesson. So next lesson is already done. You can watch in the YouTube. The playlist is already available. You can watch the next lesson in the first standard Savi Kannada playlist. So that is about the Vivekanandara Janumadina. I hope you have understood. Doubt idre comment alli comment maadi or write email to yashaswikannadavaani@gmail.com. So what you will do now, if any of your friends don't know the lesson, you have to share this video with your friends and make them understand what is this lesson about, or you can explain the lesson to them also. Always share the knowledge, only then you will gain the knowledge. So like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ to Yashaswi Kannadavaani YouTube channel ki, and watch all the videos of first standard which is available in first standard playlist. The playlist available in the YouTube channel, in my YouTube channel. So thank you so much ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. From Yashaswi Kannadavaani, there are many e-books that is being launched even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out, the description box, and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book. Along with, also follow my Instagram page to get the Spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist name Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks, it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.